Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python programming. First, download and install Python from its official website. Next, select a suitable integrated development environment, or IDE, such as VS Code, to write and run your code. Begin by grasping Python's fundamental syntax, including how to declare variables and work with different data types. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any program. Once you have the basics down, dive into control flow statements like if-else conditions and various loops. These are essential for making your programs dynamic and responsive. Next, learn to create and use functions to modularize your code, making it cleaner and more reusable. Remember, consistent practice is key. Try solving daily coding challenges to solidify your understanding and build problem-solving skills. To advance your Python skills, explore object-oriented programming, or OOP, concepts like classes and objects. This paradigm helps structure larger applications efficiently. Then, familiarize yourself with powerful Python libraries such as NumPy for numerical operations or Pandas for data analysis. The best way to apply this new knowledge is by building small, practical projects. This hands-on experience is invaluable for real-world application. Learning Python is an ongoing journey. Stay engaged by joining online communities and forums where you can ask questions and share insights. Regularly read official documentation and explore new features or updates to the language. For practical experience, consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to collaborate, learn from others, and build a portfolio. Keep exploring and enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.